We start with a simple marinade for the salmon, then move straight to sealing it in an airtight pouch. The app uses the thickness of the salmon to determine the exact cooking time. We use a food saver, but a regular Ziploc bag works too. Just lower it into water to push the air out. This is the Sous Vide app that comes with the unit we bought. It lets you choose doneness levels. We usually go with the lightest, rarest option. We're using a large pot from our kitchen, though there are sous vide specific covered containers you can find on Amazon for around $35. This is the Breville Plus, which we control through the app. It even includes built-in recipes. A magnetic weight is recommended, though it doesn't stick well to our copper bottom pan, so we just use extra weight. The sous vide heats the water to the exact temperature, then automatically starts the countdown. Cooking time depends on the thickness of what you're making, whether it's steak or salmon. Thickness is the key. One interesting feature of sous vide is that once it reaches the right temperature, it just holds it there. The food doesn't keep cooking, so it's almost like the machine is keeping it warm for you. Back to the salmon. Once it's done, we take it out, pat it dry, and heat a cast iron skillet until it's smoking hot. Add plenty of oil. This helps prevent sticking. Then sear for about 30 seconds on each side. Finally, we top it with a cucumber-dill sauce and some corn. And that's it. Perfectly cooked salmon every time.